Hello everyone, welcome to yet another session with Manager Wada Abubakar. Today we'll be looking at other computer input devices. You could recall that in our previous classes we talked about the basic computer concept and some of the input devices that we have, like the keyboard and the mouse. So we'll take it all from there. The first one we'll look at is the joystick. Of course, we've been hearing of joystick. Some of us know it as a device that is used to play video games or computer games. Yes, it is. So joystick consists, as you can see from the picture, it consists of a base and a stick that can be moved in any direction. The stick can move slowly or quickly. And some of the joysticks again do not have stick. Of course, and those ones that have stick can be used to rotate to the left or to the right. And because of this flexibility in movement, a joystick allows easy and greater control than the keys on a keyboard. So now we'll now look at the next input device, which is light pen. As the name implies, it is a light-sensitive computer input device that is basically called stylus. It is used to select text or images. It is used to draw pictures and interact with the user interface elements on a computer screen. What we mean by user interface elements means the icons and the folders or shortcut commands, programs that you have on your screen. So the light pen works well with cathode ray tube, the CRT. CRT means cathode ray tube monitors because of the way such monitors scan the screen. So these pictures you can see are what? The light pens, the various light pens that we have, and how you use them on the computer screen. And remember, they work very well with the cathode ray tube. Remember, we have the cathode ray tube monitors, we have the liquid crystal monitor, and so on and so forth. Moving on, we'll be looking at a digitizer. What is a digitizer? As the name implies, a digitizer is a device that is used to convert analog signals into digital signals. So, in the case of our cell phones, for instance, your screen serves as a digitizer. You understand? Your screen serves as what? A digitizer. As that glass that covers the LCD is just what I said earlier, liquid crystal display. It converts all the actions, whatever you press or swipe on the screen, it converts them into a digital signal that your phone understands. And I told you before now that our phones, our computers understand only zeros and ones, and that is digital or binary language of the computer. So now, taking us further, we'll be looking at the microphone. We all know the microphone. What is microphone? From the picture you see there, you are familiar with what microphone is, and what does it do? It is an input device, which is abbreviated as mic. It is abbreviated as what? Mic. So it's an hardware or a peripheral that allows computer users to input audio or sound into their computers or other similar devices. So now, taking us further, we'll look at another input device called trackball. As you can see from the image here, a ball that is in place on a wheel or something like that. Something is holding a ball, and that panel that is holding, that pad that is holding a ball also contains buttons. So what is trackball? It is an input device that comprises of an exposed ball held by a socket. So what is holding that ball is a socket, and this socket have sensors that dictate the ball's rotation. So sensors are devices that have the ability to dictate movement, to dictate occurrence, all happenings in the surrounding. So there are usually one or two buttons provided with a trackball that have the same capability as the click buttons on a mouse. So what a mouse can do, the trackball can as well do. So unlike the other input devices that need movement like the mouse, The trackball is stationary. You place it in one place. The only thing that makes the pointer move on the screen is the trackball. The ball is the one that rotates, and once the ball is rotating, the pointer is also moving to that direction. So that is their difference. The trackball is placed in one place, and while the mouse can move its whole body from one place to another. Then we have the next one, that is scanner. We all know scanner. There are different types of scanner. A scanner is a device that captures images and other text like posters, print, magazines, and similar sources for computer editing and display. So, for instance, you have handwritten document or text that you want to transfer into your computer. A scanner is a good way to go. So, scanners come in handheld, feed-in, and flatbed types. And for scanning black and white only, or color. So you can scan black and white only, or you can decide to scan color text document. So we'll now look at another input device known as the OCR. OCR here means optical character recognition. What it means is that it's a technology or an input device that enables you to convert different types of documents, such as the scanned paper documents, PDF files, images captured by a digital camera into editable and searchable data. So once you use your OCR to scan these documents into the computer, they can be edited and they can be searched easily. So that is the advantage of OCR. In fact, this is one of the things the examination bodies are using now to read the answers provided by students, and this makes it faster to release student results. Now, the next input device we'll look at is the barcode reader. From the picture, you see this code reading in the bars here. The device that is used to read this code is called barcode reader. And what is this barcode reader? It is also called a price scanner or a point of sale scanner because it works the same way as scanner, but it's only just to read a barcode. Just to read what? Barcodes. And barcodes are encrypted text. Encrypted what? Text that cannot be seen with our eyes. So unless with the help of that barcode scanner. Is a handheld or stationary input device used to capture and read information contained in a barcode. So those barcodes you see, your books have barcodes, some devices have barcodes. Anything that has barcodes, the device that can read that barcode is called barcode reader or barcode scanner. It consists of a scanner, a decoder, either built-in or external, and a cable used to connect the reader with a computer. So take note, these and many more are the input devices of the computer system. So thank you for your audience and goodbye. Ensure you read your notes.